Hello, my friend. Today too, I will come to mountain. Yeah, this mountain called Mucheok Mountain. So today also, let us enjoy beautiful nature. Yeah, with me, with this beautiful mountain. So now let's move. Yes, the color of this spot is light green color. It is good to refresh my eyes. Till the top of the mountain, have to walk 1.9 kilometer more. Let's go. Yes, over here there is some special stone. Yeah, what it is? It is a looking stone. Stone standing like this, becoming cloudy little bit. Oh, before raining I should reach the top of the mountain. Let's hurry. Wow, nice, beautiful view. Very nice view. Still, these flowers survive. Yes, beautiful path. La la la, la la la, la 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 la. Today I can feel very fresh wind over here. Today I don't know why. Yeah, this hiking is very nice and joyful for me. I don't know why. Very happy today. Let's go. Wow. This tree also from two different routes. One from here, one from here, and here it connected. Wow, how beautiful it is. Yeah, here is also a little bit connected. Wow. Yeah, let's go, continue. Now the path becoming very hard. It means the top of the mountain is very close now. Wow. Ooh, ooh. Wow, wow. Yeah, this part is very fun. Wow. Ah. Yes, I have reached here, the top of the mountain. Oh my god. Today too, I can't see anything because of the cloud. I feel that I'm in the cage of rock. Woo! Wow! Wow, it looks something special. Wow. Wow, it looks very good. Wow, this huge log looks very nice. This log called log of hope. I don't know why they call like this. Yeah, but anyway, I have a hope. Yeah, I want to go to Himalaya once. This is my hope. Can I do? Yeah. Let's see. Wow. What is this rock? Looks so nice. There is one hole. Let me try to go there. Ooh. Ah. Yeah, I passed this hole. Wow, beautiful rock over here. I think this rock was separated from this main rock. Oh, go. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Today too, I enjoyed a lot with this beautiful mountain. Yeah. What about you? I hope that you also enjoyed with this video and with this beautiful mountain in Korea. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah. And before leaving from this channel, yeah, please touch one button. Yeah, subscribe. Then it will be very helpful for me. Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much. Yeah, and see you again. Yeah, bye bye.